Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed step-by-step process on how to fix black screen of Brave browser on your PC. So the first thing I'm going to explain, let's explain what is Brave browser. Now, what is Brave browser? Brave browser is a web browser that is free and open source, developed by Brave Software International based on Chromium web browser. Now, Brave is a privacy-focused browser which automatically blocks most advertisements and website trackers in its default settings. So it is fast, it is private, it is secure. For PC, Mac, and mobile, you can download it now to enjoy a faster ad-free browsing experience. Now, you've downloaded this app and you have the problem of black screen. It just suddenly turned black. How do you fix this problem? And the first thing you have to do is general troubleshooting. Now, what do I mean? Please pay attention because these steps will help you to troubleshoot and fix the black screen issue on Brave browser on your computer. Now, the first thing you have to do is simply restart the Brave browser. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. So close the browser completely and reopen it. If it doesn't work, then you check for updates. Ensure that you're using the latest version of Brave. Updates often include fixes for known issues of the previous version. Then you have to disable extensions because extensions can sometimes interfere with the browser's functionality. Try disabling them one by one to identify the culprits or culprits. Next, clear browsing data. Clear your browsing data to help resolve various issues including black screens. Clear the cache, clear the cookies, and the browsing history. Now, you can also disable hardware acceleration because this setting can sometimes cause compatibility problems. So how do you do this? Go to settings, click on additional settings, click on system, and toggle off the part that says use hardware acceleration when available. Just make sure you toggle it off. Now, this is for general troubleshooting no matter the operating system you're using. But if you're using a Windows operating system, the solution can be more specific. For example, if you're using a Windows operating system, the first thing you should do is update the graphics driver. Outdated or corrupted graphics driver can cause black screens. So you need to update your graphic driver to the latest version. The next thing, don't forget to run a compatibility test or compatibility mode for your browser. So how do you do this? Right click on the Brave shortcut, select Practice, go to Compatibility tab and mark or check the box that says run this program in compatibility mode. Then select the previous Windows version and try running that. So try running Brave using select the previous Windows version and try running the Brave app in it. Next you can do is reinstall Brave. If none of the above solution works, then uninstall Brave and reinstall it from the official website. I repeat, if none of the above solutions work, uninstall Brave and reinstall it from the official website. Now, if it is in a Mac operating system, how do you go about it? How do you go about fixing this black screen issue on your Brave browser on your computer? Simple. Go to Brave settings, click on additional settings, click on system, and make sure you toggle off the part that says use hardware acceleration when available. The next thing you can do is you can try a different browser profile. So create a new browser profile and see if the issue persists. Then if it does, you can reinstall Brave. If this problem continues, uninstall and reinstall Brave. Now, here are some more helpful tips. Always check for conflicting software. Some softwares like antivirus or VPN might interfere with Brave. So temporarily disable them to see if it helps. Don't forget to try a different browser too, it doesn't work. If the issue persists even after trying all the above solutions, try using a different browser, like maybe Chrome or Firefox, to see if the problem is specific to Brave. If none of that works either, reach out to Brave support team for further assistance. The specific steps may vary depending on your operating system and Brave version. If you encounter any difficulties, feel free to ask for more specific instructions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.